These homemade oatmeal cream pies are soft, chewy, and filled with sweet, creamy goodness. They are super easy to make, and I must say, these are way better than Oreos. To make these oatmeal cream pies, add 1 and 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2/3 cup of quick oats, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon to a bowl, and give it a good mix till well combined. In a separate mixing bowl, cream 1 cup of room temperature butter until it is smooth. Then, add 1/4 cup of granulated white sugar and 3/4 cup of brown sugar, mixing again until the mixture is well combined. Now, add 1 tablespoon of molasses. Check the link in the description for the one I use. And a pinch of salt. Mix everything together until it is combined and smooth. Now, add 1 large room temperature egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix it all together until it is nice and smooth. Now, add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. Mix it gently until everything is just combined, making sure not to overmix. Now, use a cookie scoop to scoop the dough onto a lined baking sheet. Make sure to leave some space between each scoop because the cookies will spread as they bake. Bake the cookies in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes, or until the edges are set. While the cookies are baking, take half a cup of room temperature butter and place it in a mixing bowl. Add a pinch of salt and mix it for about 3 minutes until it is creamy. Now, add 2 tablespoons of heavy cream, followed by 2 cups of powdered sugar. Mix until everything is smooth and fluffy. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and mix again until everything is well combined and smooth. Once the cookies have cooled down, it's time to fill them with cream.
Yum.
Use a piping bag to add a swirl of the cream filling on the bottom of 1 cookie. Then, place another cookie on top to make a sandwich and press them gently together. These oatmeal cream pies are super soft and chewy, with a smooth and sweet filling that makes each bite amazing. Enjoy your delicious oatmeal cream pies. If you enjoyed this oatmeal cream pies recipe, you will definitely like this 140-year-old recipe for date-filled oat cookies here. Check it out now.